Iguazu Falls. This is the world's most powerful waterfall. Can you believe it's even bigger than Niagara? Iguazu Falls, where 1.5 million liters of water crash down every second. Located on the border of Argentina and Brazil, this waterfall is so large it stretches across 275 individual falls. But it's not just the size. What makes Iguazu even more magical is the mist creating endless rainbows and the wildlife that thrives around it. Standing here feels like witnessing the heartbeat of the earth, an unforgettable experience. Follow for more breathtaking moments from the natural wonders of the world.